Welcome back to geometry practice. This question gonna be really quick. It asks us what is the measure of arc DF. It gives to us the measure of arc DE is 125 degrees. It also gives to us DE chord and DF chord. These two chords are congruent. We can say the measure of arc DF is also 125 degrees. Why is that? Because we know the principle says in the same circle, all two congruent circles, two arcs are congruent if they have the congruent chords. We got a congruent chords, and it is in the same circle. Therefore, these two arcs have the same arc measure. Our next practice asks us what is the measure of arc JML. In some book, when we use three letters, that means it's a major arc. But in some book, they use two letters or three letters to indicate it's a minor arc. So you really have to look at the diagram to find out is it major arc or minor arc. Anyway, in this problem, we don't need to really know it's major arc or minor arc, but we do need to know MK, segment MK, is a diameter. And also, by the symbol given to us, segment MK also bisects JL. So you see here is bisected. You see here is also perpendicular. So MK is segment JL. MK is JL's perpendicular bisector. So MK is a diameter. JL is a chord. Now, by the principle, by the rule, it says two chords. If this chord's longest chord's diameter is a perpendicular bisector of the second chord, so not only bisect the chord, but also bisected the arc. Therefore, ML, arc ML is 60. Arc GM is also 60. Last step, we're going to use arc addition postulate. 60 and 60, that is 120. Problem solved. Happy learning.